Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your studio Friday. Yes, today I want to install Infinity Home on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This ROM is under this video. You can download this and install this ROM only on free device Note 8, as you see, and S8 and S8 Plus. Okay? Follow me. Under this video, you can install TWRP on your phone. TWRP is necessary because you will use this to install this ROM. Now, let me show you the ROM that I have installed on my Samsung. Okay, before doing this, look at that. This is so beautiful. This is so wonderful. Yesterday, I made a video to show you how to install this beautiful multi-pack wallpaper on your phone. You can watch the previous video. Wow, so nice. As you see, it's so great. And when you do this, you can access to another wallpapers. Ooh, so nice and so beautiful. Look at this guy. I like it. I like it. Okay, this is also Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM. I'll install this with you. This ROM is on my YouTube channel and get ready. Now, let's go on settings. Look at on settings, about phone, sort of information. You can see build number RDS ROM 1UE version 6.1. Okay, when you download this ROM under this video, copy this. I recommend you to copy this ROM on your SD card. If it's done, you will see this ROM under like that. Let me see. Okay, it's here. When you download, you can receive this. Okay, copy on this beautiful SD card, and get ready. Now, make sure that you have save your data, charge your phone, and let's go. Power off. Put your phone on power off and get ready for the installation. After this video, I will make the test review of this video. You will see this video here on the end of this video when it's okay. Don't forget to click on like if you like this. Okay, let's do it. On the first link under this video, you will see how to install TWRP on your phone. If it's done, hold free touch. Busy button, volume up, a power button to access to TWRP. Do this. Busy button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Hold again, hold and hold again, and access to TWRP like that. It's not difficult to do this. If it's installed and if you come here, follow me right now. Click on whip. Enter format data, enter yes. Validate. Now, click on home. Whip again. Advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's the internal storage. And do this. Wonderful. Click on home. After this, click on install again. Select storage. Micro SD. Select micro SD like that. And localize your ROM right now. Localize your beautiful ROM. Okay. Your ROM is here. Wonderful. Open this. Infinity version 4. And get ready. Wonderful. As you see, it's working. Okay, wait a few minutes for the opening of this beautiful ROM. Infinity is here, bro. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it's compatible for 3 devices. Note 8 S8 and S8 Plus. This is a new version. Okay, click on next now. Validate here, next again. Next again. What I can choose here? You can choose for your country, United States, click on next. China. Okay. International smart. Okay, I like this. Configuration started. Make your choice and continue. BSB, yes. BC Vision, Samsung Game, and Samsung Application, Ultra, Gear VR. Okay. Select what you want to install on your phone. If you install and you don't see all of this, when you can come here and reinstall and deselect this like that to try to see. Okay. Let's see before. If it's okay, I will say to you that it's okay on the end of this video, and let's go. Custom ROM, pure stock ROM with custom ROM with infinity control and many modify. I like it. Now, if you have the S8 Plus, select the S8 Plus here. If you have the S8, select the S8 here. And you see, this is my Note 8. Now, I select the Note 8 and click on continue. Click on next again. And now you are ready to install this. Click on install. Click on next to the installation and get ready. Wait a few minutes together. Wait again. Okay. As you see, complete. Wonderful. Now, click on next. What is this? Press next to back recovery. But okay, click on finish. What I can do now? Reboot system. What else? I don't know. This is my first installation with you. Let's see what will happen after. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 again. And you can see Samsung. Okay, when you see Samsung like that and you see the LED here, it's good. The installation started. Wait a few minutes again for finishing and get ready for the configuration right now. Woo! Okay, as you see the LED disappear and your phone reboot again. Why? I don't know, but you can wait to see. Because you subscribe, click on like, we'll get ready. Activate notification when you subscribe. What will happen after? Get ready to see this. Get ready. Wonderful. Now you are welcome to your phone, and the configuration can start right now because you are so beautiful. Click on, you can choose the language here and click on next. After this, configure your phone. Let me do this right now quickly. As you see, all done. Now click on finish. And welcome to your new home. Wow, what is this? Settings. So about phone, sort of motion, and you can see here Infinity P version 4.1.0. This is also one new A. What on this ROM? What new feature? Let me to see this on the next video. Subscribe and watch the next video. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Get ready to see this. Let's go. Like you so much.